Hold on, they could be anywhere. They could even be in the toilet.
They could be anywhere. They could be in the walls. They could be anywhere.
I'm fucking moving. I'm moving. Fuck this neighborhood. Wait until you see my house. You're gonna be amazed. You're gonna be jealous at my house. Be the best house ever.
I feel like it's gonna be really bad. Wait, I'm right near you guys, right?
Yep.
Alright, the moment I've been waiting for. Oh my god, is it a giant dick? Is it a giant dick?
Trap the motherfucking dungeon of rap. How you come if minus the sperm? The dick, the kind of chick with a perm. Who's the #1 Bronx MC? That be me, capital C.
It's my house.
What the hell is this? Are you proud of this? Are you proud of this?
Evan, come here. Look. Right in front of it.
In front of it. This is in front of it.
That's the bat. That's the bat.
What the hell is
His dick
this?
shoots out fire. His dick shoots out fire and snowballs.
What is this?
That's my house. That's the real house. That's the real house.
Capital C. Yep, hate to the R-Los. Pronounce it Carlos. Ferragamo the surname.
This is my crib, guys. You got the TV right here.
You probably never heard of me like I got no name. Train on the track.
You got the kitchen area. Yeah, come in the kitchen. Come in the kitchen.
Air Force Ones in the feet, color of cocaine. What? DJ, bring it back, sorta like Rogaine.
Come in the kitchen. Check out my refrigerator, my stove. Yeah. Push the button on the side of the refrigerator. Look. You see that?
You have to be like really quick if you want something. All right, where's the cheese? Oh god. All right, that's not fast enough. All right, 3, 2, 1. What do you want? Milk? Go!
Oh, I got a cookie.
What, does it actually shoot out food?
Yeah, watch. Here, I'll push it.
I just got an apple.
Oh god.
It's like you never know what you're gonna get in Delirious's fridge. Ta-da! Another cookie.
Mystery.
It's a murder right there, man.
Meanwhile.
Alright, come check out my bedroom. This is where all the magic happens. Oh god, you weren't supposed to see that.
I didn't see anything.
Alright.
What's this? Is this a dildo? Is this
that's
a glory
the
hole?
dungeon.
Is this a glory hole, Delirious?
Is that a penis sticking out of the wall?
Conveniently beside the side of your bed. Who's on the other side of that wall? So in order to get into the secret room, you have to stroke this thing coming out of the wall till it goes up, till it goes upwards, and then bam!
I didn't think about it like that. It does look like a dick and balls. Look at it. I'm done. Marcel, come and look at the house.
It's like he.
What the fuck are you doing?
Surprise, motherfucker!
You're a dick.
I painted it. I pretty
My
much
house.
destroyed the entire penis, and then I covered it in lava. So you can actually go inside of it, and there's like no more penis left. It's just a straight lava tower. Your beds are still in here, though. They're on fire, but I mean they're in here.
All right, Marcel, come and check my house out.
Your house sucks dick.
Check it out, man. I know if I had this house in real life, it'd be like a pretty good chill place. All right, this is TV. Check it out. Always on the Weather Channel.
The weather's always the same.
Yeah, it's antennas on the top if you're wondering, not dicks. All right, Marcel, you want something to eat, you always get something out of the refrigerator. Look, Marcel, just for you.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Fuck you. Fuck you.
That is so messed up. That is so messed up.
You know you want it.
That's so... Another one.
You're so funny. It's a big racist joke. Fuck your house. Fuck your house.
You're a bitch. Hey, get out of my house. Get the fuck out of my house. Come here.
You gotta give a fuck?
Come in the bedroom real quick. Go to the bedroom.
The whole thing is on fire. Okay,
I can't
get in
get
there.
in.
Go.
I can't get in. There we go. Here we go. Alright. Alright, so this is the dick that
Go,
we're
Evan!
talking about.
All right, hold on. Before we do this, I just want to say that we clicked that fridge so many times, and it never shot out a watermelon. It was just cookies, apples, and then bam, watermelon.
But yeah, I haven't
Is
did
this like your
anything.
bat cave or something?
Yeah, I haven't finished it yet. I was gonna make
Look
something right
at
there.
your living room!
Fuck you!
You got roaches. We're exterminating.
Hold on. Extermination. Hold on. Hold on. They could be anywhere. They could even be in the toilet.
They can be anywhere. They can be in the walls. They can be in the walls.
Yo,
They can be
I'm
anywhere.
fucking moving. I'm moving. Fuck this neighborhood.
They can be anywhere.
Come outside and look.
Oh, let me make a hole so I can get out.
Y'all bitches.
Up on
my
the
poor house,
top.
man.
Click, click.
Imagine it auto saves right now.
I know. I'm exiting game. Goodbye. Exit without saving.
I got it, I'm on it. No pause, no comma, straight through, no juice, still spit like a llama, yeah.